Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync music with your videos by using InShot app. Let's start. At first, you have to open your InShot app. Now tap on video, then tap on new. Here select the video or photo that you want to work with. Now, after choosing the video or photo, and you guys will find out in your timeline like this, and then tap on music option, then tap on here. Now you guys can see extract audio from video. Tap on here. Now select the video from where you want to extract your audio. Then after selecting it, customize the audio, like which part you want to add. Then you guys can also save it by giving it a name. I'm going to name it song, and then let's tap on the check mark, and here you guys will find out the audio. So this is how you guys can sync music with your videos by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.